Yeah, this is probably one of the best summer private line fragrances there is on the market right now. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Now, what's up, chat? You know what it is. Another new day, another new fragrance that landed on the doorstep. So I'm just going to bring you along with me as we unbox. Now, today I got a package in from Dior. As you can see, they sent me a little card, basically a card in there and a receipt. But you're not here for any of that. You're here for the actual box and the unboxing and the juice that comes along with it. So as you can see here, we got this little special edition Valentine's boxing with some hearts and some pink and red accents on there, but nothing too crazy. As you can see, comes with some tissue paper. We're gonna peel that back. And first off, we got a couple of little goodies. So it comes in this little bag here. Got Dior on the front. Now I believe these are the samples. So yes, we got a Sauvage Eau Forte here, and then we got a Sauvage Elixir here. And I have smelt the Elixir before, but I haven't smelt the Forte before. And then we also have a little baby miniature Sauvage here. Some extra little goodies that came along with it. Now look at this little baby bottle here, bro. Look at this little thing. Yeah, so we got a little Sauvage there. So nice little packaging that they came along with there. And I believe they also included a keychain that comes along in this little textured Dior box. But we're not going to get into all that. We're here for the fragrance itself. Now, I was able to pick up Dior's Rouge Trafalgar. And basically it comes in this little cylinder packaging. Nothing too crazy. And right there we have the bottle. Now this is sleek, nice little bottle. Reminds me of the LV bottles. Got your little Christian Dior there on the top. And of course I've got it initialed or engraved with my initials on there. So again, sleek little bottle. Let's go ahead and see what the juice is smelling like. So put the cap down there. Nice little atomizer on there. Oh yeah. Like I said, this is one of summer's best fragrances and a private line fragrance by Dior. So right off rip, you get hit with that burst, that punchiness of that citruses, the raspberry, strawberry, cherry, mandarin orange. You're getting that black currant, some grapefruit, some musk, some patchouli, all that blended together, and you get this airy raspberry, basically like soda type smell that I'm getting here. But oh yeah, very good, very nice coming up with the spring weather. Here in Texas, we're already getting 70, 80 degree weather, so this is gonna go nice right about now. Let me know what you think about Dior's private line and if you own any, and definitely let me know down in the comments below what you're picking up next. See you in the next one.